Hello. You might know that light usually travels in a straight line, but today you're going to discover what happens when light passes from one material to another, like going from air into water. It's time for a refraction adventure. Have you ever put a pencil in a glass of water? It looks like the pencil is bent or broken, right? But the pencil is not really broken. The pencil just looks that way because of refraction. Refraction is what happens when light bends as it moves from one material to another. For example, when light travels from air to water, the light waves slow down. This change in speed causes the light to bend. Imagine you're pushing a cart with two wheels on a concrete driveway. The cart enters a muddy area at an angle. The left tire first hits the muddy area before the other tire, and the cart starts to change its direction because the muddy tire one slows the cart down while the other tire keeps moving at the original speed. This is like what happens to light. Light bends because it travels at different speeds in different materials. Light travels very fast through air, but it slows down when it goes through water or glass. This change in speed makes the light waves change their direction. So with our pencil in water, the light that bounces off the part of the pencil in the air travels straight to our eye. But the light that bounces off the part of the pencil in the water bends as it leaves the water and enters the air. This is why the pencil looks bent or broken. Refraction happens all around us. Rainbows are formed when sunlight passes through raindrops. The water droplets refract the sunlight, separating them into all colors of the rainbow. Eyeglasses and magnifying glasses use curved pieces of glass or plastic to refract light and help us see more clearly. Fish are not exactly where they appear to be because of refraction. The light from the fish bends as it travels from the water to our eyes. Refraction might seem a little strange, but it's a natural phenomenon that helps us understand how light behaves. It allows us to create lenses, see beautiful rainbows, and understand why sometimes things look a little bit different underwater. So the next time you see a straw in a glass of water or a rainbow in the sky, remember the amazing bending power of light. Thank you for watching.